Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from northeast cop cam. All right, I've never seen any of their videos. So, Amazon. The title of the video is Amazon worker refuses to leave after being terminated. Okay, so he got fired and now he trying to turn up. So let's see what they actually talking about here, man.
October 28th, 2023, officers from the Secaucus Police Department were dispatched to a logistics company affiliated with Amazon in response to a report of an employee refusing to leave the premises after being terminated.
So what's the
he
the
was
background?
asked to leave the building,
Okay.
both by management and general management, and he still refused it.
All right. You're fine. Trespassing right now. Give me his ID. Do you have his information on who he is?
Yeah, I can get it to you.
Okay.
Hey, I'm on my way. Is he still there? Okay, yeah, I'm on my way. There.
2 seconds just for your knowledge. We're just switching to the company name you guys provided. Same building. And we're going to be in the back half of the real building inside that warehouse. Why is it being terminated? How old was he?
So his name is George Fraser. This is my general manager. He's got the This is the gentleman here. Unfortunately, he wasn't doing what was instructed by management. Asked him to leave the building. He keeps refusing to leave the building, saying, I'm not leaving, I'm working. At the point that he's not listening to management, we no longer have him in the building. We've given him specific instructions. I don't believe so, no.
What's your name, sir?
I'm George.
George?
Yes, sir.
How are you? I'm Officer Borelli. We're with the Secaucus Police Department. Do you have any ID on you, Mr. Frazier?
Huh?
Do you have ID on you?
Yes.
Okay, can I see that ID, please? I just have to advise you're on body camera right now, okay? Do you have any pocket knives or box cutters on you that you use for work? You just dropped something, sir. Do you use any box cutters, knives? So what's going on today? Why aren't you listening to management? How come you're not listening to management?
Management have a problem with it.
With you?
Yeah, management and most of the staff. This thing, I was given a package from the CEO of this company. I got a retirement package from the boss. This is when I become the gate, a victim, everybody.
Okay.
The guy gave me as the hardest worker. I don't know him, Never making is not illegal.
All right.
This is the problem.
Do you have any other belongings here besides what you have on you right now?
Officer, I'm working now.
This is what I'm saying.
Yes.
You have belongings in a locker room, in a lunchroom,
I
in a
have,
break
I
room.
have belongings. I have belongings. But for now, I'm
so
working.
We're gonna go get those, and then we're gonna get out of here.
No, sir.
Yeah.
I am working, officer.
now-
I clocked in this morning legally. I'm
Listen to what
working.
I'm telling
I
you.
did not fight anybody.
Listen to what
I
I'm
did
telling
not commit
you. I
any
didn't say you
crime.
did.
No,
I
I
didn't
did.
say you did.
Yes, but why are you getting me out? And you saw me walking.
Because management is firing you.
No, sir. Yeah, well, let me get it. Let me get the letter.
What letter?
You said they are firing me.
Yes.
Oh, well, let me get the letter, sir.
Well,
Yeah, I'm waiting
they're
for the
not doing
letter. For now, I'm not yet been
Listen to what
fired.
I'm saying.
Yeah.
We're leaving right now, whether you like it or not.
Ah.
Okay, so it's defined.
Okay, sir. You met me peacefully. I'm walking. Then you came. You said I must leave. Yes.
We need you to
Peacefully.
leave because management's saying you cannot be here
Why?
because you were fired.
Fired? Where's the letter?
Ask your management.
Oh, well, let them give it to
I don't
me.
work for
Well, let me
them.
get
What
the
I'm
letter.
telling you right now is
Let me get the letter.
before
Yeah,
before
but
you
for
say
now,
that,
legally, I am permitted to
listen
walk.
to what I'm saying.
Legally, I'm permitted
Legally,
to
right
walk.
now, you're breaking the law.
No, sir.
No,
How?
defiant trespassing. You're not
Trespass
legal.
how?
Yes.
Yes, I'm walking.
One more opportunity to leave right now
I
and grab
am-
your belongings.
Officer, I'm
Yes,
walking.
yes or no?
No, sir, I'm walking. No, sir. Please, I have a problem with my shoulder.
So don't fight.
You're breaking my shoulder.
So don't
You're breaking my shoulder.
Are you
You're
done?
breaking my shoulder.
Are you
You're
done?
breaking my shoulder.
No, I'm
You're
not.
breaking my shoulder. You're breaking my shoulder. You're breaking me. You're breaking my shoulder. You're breaking my shoulder. You're breaking me. You're breaking my shoulder. You're breaking me. Ah! 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 You're breaking my shoulder. You're breaking my shoulder. You're breaking me. You're breaking my shoulder. You're breaking. Ah!
Stop resisting! You're under arrest! Stop resisting! You're under arrest! Stop resisting! Stop resisting! You're under arrest! Calm down. Calm down. You're under arrest. You're given ample amount of time.
You wounded my arm.
7-1
You
under.
wounded my hand. My hand is wounded. My hand is wounded. My hand is wounded. This thing is tight.
Probably an ambulance.
It's tight. It's tight. You wounded my arm.
Sit up.
You wounded my hand.
Sit up.
You wounded my hand. You wounded my hand.
Sit up.
Yeah. You wounded my arm.
So,
We'll see.
turn around.
We'll see.
Turn around.
The end of this.
Turn around.
Yeah. Please.
Get your
Please.
breath.
Please.
Take your breath.
Please. How can I take my breath? How can I? How?
Take a breath.
How can I take a breath? How?
Breathe.
How? Under pressure?
Yes.
Under this pressure?
Yes.
No. This is not good. It's not right. It's not right. No. No. Under pressure? No.
Let's go.
Yeah. Please, I have a shoulder problem.
Then-
I have problem with my shoulder.
Are you gonna
No,
fight?
you can't hold me like this. I have a
are you
medical
going to
condition.
walk?
I have a medical
Are you
condition.
gonna walk?
I have a medical
Are you
condition.
going to walk?
You hurting my shoulder.
Are you gonna
I
walk?
have a medical condition. Okay. I have a medical condition. Yeah.
Let's go.
I have a medical
So
condition.
stop fighting then.
Okay. I'm fighting who?
Look at your stance.
Fighting. You are fighting
Look at
me.
your stance.
You fight me.
Let's go.
You fight me.
Let's go.
For what reason? I don't know.
Look.
You fight me.
You're not walking.
Yeah. Please. 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 You wounded me. You wounded me. You wounded me. You wounded me. Please. 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 You wounded me. You wounded me. Please. 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 This is harassment.
No, it's not.
This is harassment.
Are you going to walk
Yeah.
then?
It's workplace harassment.
Then walk.
It's workplace harassment. This is harassment. Harassment. My shoulder. My shoulder. My shoulder.
then walk.
My shoulder.
Then
Lift my
walk.
shoulder. Lift my shoulder.
Then walk.
Lift my shoulder.
Then walk.
What? Lift my shoulder.
Walk.
Okay.
Now you
We'll
say okay.
see. We'll see the end of
Walk.
this. Yeah. We'll see the end. My belongings. We'll see the end.
I told you 3 times
Yeah.
to get your stuff.
You did not tell me.
Okay.
Yeah. This is workplace harassment.
Sir,
For what?
do you
For
realize
what? Because
Well,
it's
you
because
just
of
did
what?
it.
They called you because of what?
what you just
No.
did? You could just walk out. Now you're under arrest.
Oh, yes.
Defying trespassing and resisting
Trespass what? I came to
and
work.
obstruction.
I came to work.
Good.
Yes, I'm
Okay.
legally in the building.
Okay,
I
legally
signed
no.
it. I signed it. I signed.
Okay. Do you
Uh-huh.
want your glasses?
I signed. You will pay for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
What?
What do you need?
You will pay for it. Yeah.
What do you need right now?
Sir,
Eric,
do you need an ambulance, sir? Are you hurting?
I'm hurting.
Where?
My shoulders.
Would you like to be evaluated by EMS?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So right here. Face the car. It's over now, man. Just stay right here.
You want email?
They're already en route.
What's your 911 code?
Go ahead, Sarge.
What's your exact location? You're on Enterprise, right?
We're on the front of Laser Ship. 50 hearts.
If this is the law, we will know.
Man, these people be killing me, man. You rather go to jail than to leave peacefully, man. You're done. You're fired. I don't understand. What like, come on, man. Come on. I know your English is a little broken. It's a little off or whatever, but fired. Leave property now. That's all you need to know. Hey, look, all right, I'm gone. I'm gonna give you one more chance. He like, all right, well, you locked up then. Let's go. You don't want to leave. You don't want to go home on your own free will. All right, well, I got another place for you to go. You come on down to the county jail. You come catch a couple of these charges and start paying a couple of these fines. So now you got fines, you have charges, and no job.
Yeah, it's probably all good. All good here. I bet you just got a 1 email for that.
You realize you could just walked out of work today? They made it leaving with charges. I told you so many times just to walk out.
I did not do anything.
It doesn't matter.
I did not do anything.
You were not.
You met me peacefully. I was walking. I did not do anything.
I tried telling you
Yeah.
so many times peacefully.
I did not
You
do
have to
anything.
leave. Okay, well,
I
you got
did not do
fired.
anything.
You got fired.
Where is the letter?
Stop.
Yeah. You say I got fired. Where is the termination letter? Where is the letter? Give me a termination letter. Then I'm not fired.
I cannot do that. That's
Yes.
them.
No, but you can't take me forcefully like this.
All right.
Yes.
All right.
I have a right to be in the building because I came to work.
You don't, sir.
I have, sir.
All right.
Yeah, I have.
Okay.
I have. Call the MS. My shoulders.
They're on their way, sir. You complained about your shoulder, but you wanted to resist the whole time.
No, sir.
Yes, you did.
No, sir. You
Don't
fight
come-
me. You fight me.
I advised it was on
No, sir.
camera the
No,
entire
sir.
time.
No, sir.
Okay.
This is not the way you treat somebody.
Sir,
No, sir.
I gave you 3 times to
No,
get your
sir.
belongings. And then I said, if you wouldn't leave, you're going to be under arrest.
No, sir.
And then you said no.
No, sir. This is not the right thing.
Okay.
This is not the right thing.
You can argue that in court, sir.
I don't have anything to do.
I just have to check, sir.
Handle me as if I'm a criminal.
Sir, would you like us to take your sweatshirt off right now?
For what, sir?
Are
It's
you,
cold.
You're sweating.
Yes, sir. It's cold for me.
Okay.
I'm not good right now. I'm feeling pain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ambulance is on their way. Would you like to get checked out at our headquarters or here?
I don't know, sir. You came out.
Okay.
What's your complaint of pain?
Mr. Fraser was charged with defiant trespassing and resisting arrest. He was later issued a complaint summons and subsequently released from police custody. If you found this video interesting, please don't forget to like.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.